Vishwa Yuva Kendra has a unique history. In 1958, the Executive Committee of the Indian Assembly of Youth came to the conclusion that if youth work has to be developed in the country on scientific lines, a National Youth Center should be established, which would provide on a continuous basis training in youth work to the workers of youth organizations. The committee also visualized the center as an international meeting place for young people from all over the world. Accordingly, it was decided to set up an independent trust which would command the necessary respect and support. Thus, following the recommendations of Indian Assembly of Youth, the Indian Youth Center Trust was set up on 10th August 1961. Established Vishwa Yuva Kendra. The organization was formed by the great Indian leaders, industrialists and social reformers, which included Shri Morarji Desai as founder chairman, Shri Ramkrishna Bajaj as founder managing trustee, Shrimati Indira Gandhi, Shri Naval H. Tata, Shri Ravindra Verma and Shri Viren J. Shah as board of trustees. The building of the Kendra was inaugurated by Dr. Zakir Hussain, the then President of India, on 22nd of December 1968. It is located in the prestigious diplomatic enclave of Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. This facility serves as a learning house for the youth, CSOs and other stakeholders for conducting various learning, training events in a conducive environment through its infrastructural facilities like conference halls, auditorium, library, rooms, dormitories, etc. Since its inception, VYK, through its National Resource Center and capacity building programs, offers wide-ranging opportunities for youth, civil society organizations, and communities for constructive participation in the larger development arena. Currently, the Kendra is governed and managed by the able and committed leadership of national and international repute. The Board of Trustees of IYCT comprises of the Chairman and Managing Trustee Shri Shishir Bajaj along with Shri S.R. Halbe, Shri Kushagra Nayan Bajaj, Shri Haribai Mori and Shri Vimal Nagori as trustees. The objectives of the Kendra can be broadly divided into three, namely capacity enhancement of youth and CSOs, research and documentation, and promotion of international understanding. In order to achieve its objectives, VYK conducts various training programs, seminars, and workshops on relevant thematic and social issues for various stakeholders in youth ecosystem and civil society landscape. International organizations like World Assembly of Youth, Konrad Adenauer Stiftung, UNESCO, etc. have been important partners in designing educational courses and programs, wherein trainees from all parts of the world participated to enhance their learnings and knowledge exchange. As a learning organization, VYK has been adapting strategies to the changing macro and micro context to remain relevant and effective to serve its constituencies and delivering its mission and mandate. The Kendra strategically engages in institutional tie-ups with educational institutions so as to build a strong cadre of professional youth through orientation, sensitization, and promoting volunteerism in the employment and society. VYK is also engaged in undertaking its community-based development projects through its integrated community development program aimed at building innovative models for wider replication. Considering the pandemic scenario, VYK was one of the pioneers in organizing webinars in lockdown situations to connect its various stakeholders through e-learning platforms. Amid COVID-19, VYK evolved and implemented various programs at grassroots level like Cradila and Nanni Pehal to support and help the most needy and vulnerable segments of the society through the relief material support during the pandemic period. Initiatives like Project Lead, Project Saksham, Caregiver Project were targeted at youth for improving their soft and employability skills. Today, VYK has a pan-India presence through its programs and partnerships with NGOs, academia, corporate and other stakeholders engaged in youth affairs. So far, VYK has conducted more than 1250 in-house and state-level programs reaching directly to over 1 lakh youth and has reached out to a population of nearly 50 lakhs through partnership and collaborations with more than 10,000 civil society organizations. Over the journey of 6 decades, VYK has made significant efforts and footprints to mainstream youth in the nation building process. However, concerted, continued, and coordinated efforts are required to nourishing youth's potential to make their dreams a reality. The VYK's journey continues with sincere efforts and commitment. As Robert Frost says, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.